Budapest and beyond!
Michael Jackson visited Budapest a total of 3 times. But every time he came to Budapest, he stayed in the very same suite at the Kempinski Hotel, Elizabeth Square. Knowing this was where Michael Jackson was, hordes of fans would camp out in the square for days, waiting to catch a glimpse of the icon. But that wasn't very difficult. During his stays, Jackson would spend much of his time standing by the window, waving and offering messages to his fans. After his death, Michael Jackson's fans in Budapest inaugurated this tree, one that they had spent so many nights next to, as the Michael Jackson Memorial Tree. And now it's been licensed as such by Budapest's District 5 municipality. And if you hang out long enough, you're sure to spot someone with one glove, exposed white socks, tight black pants, and a bowler hat, taking care of the flowers and lighting the candles that have been burning at this tree ever since.